Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Thursday. Today we are going to log into the Bible app and talk about something new. What I would like to talk to you about today is how to change the language of the Bible while you're in the Bible app. So if you click on the little three lines down in the bottom right hand side of the menu that says more, scroll through your options and go to language. Once you have landed there, you can see excuse me, that I have English checked at the moment. But if you click it open, you can see all different kinds of languages available to you. You can even read the Bible in Hebrew if you know how to read Hebrew. That's really what I wanted to share today, guys. I hope it was helpful. If you want to read the Bible in Spanish, if you want to read the Bible in Hebrew, Italian, or many of the other languages that was listed there, you have the option to do so. 2,351 available languages. That is amazing. I hope that was enjoyable for you today, and I hope it's helpful for some of you. I hope you have an amazing, blessed day.